Welcome to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make real estate posters using our favorite graphic design tool, Canva. All poster templates on Canva are completely customizable and simple to create. Make sure to watch to the end so you can see how easy it is to create a customizable poster. Also, if this is your first time visiting our channel, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified of any new videos. Now, let's have my wife Nancy take over.
All right, so here we are on canva.com. We are actually using the paid version in case if it does look a little bit different to you. However, if you would like to try them out, you can for 30 days for free. We will leave our affiliate link right below this video as well as in the text box below. So when you're ready to create your real estate posters, all you need to do is just go in here in this little search bar and just type in real estate posters. When you do that, it's going to open a new window with all of these templates that you could customize. And keep in mind, you could add your logo, you could add your branding colors, you could change the photo to the property or maybe even a photo of yourself if you need to. So everything that you see is edible and you could change. So just keep that in mind. Now it's just looking through here to see what resonates with you, what type of poster you're looking to do. I personally, when I help Cornelius do posters, these are the ones that we normally do. Just a standard US letter size that you could just print at Kinko's. Maybe you want to print at your home. You could also print stuff with Canva as well if you like to. Their prices are pretty reasonable as well. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and edit this one here. We wanted to use this poster here. All you're going to do is click on the poster and it's going to give you the options of this particular poster. This is a 2-page poster. If you want to add more content to it, all you need to do is just pretty much duplicate the page and then you could just change this around, like the verbatim here. You could just change it around. But it's very simple to use. You could upload your own images if you have a particular house that you're promoting. So you would just go to upload and then from here you could do from your computer. I'm going to use one of the sample photos here from Canva just to kind of give you an idea of how easy it is to go ahead and edit this particular poster. So let's say this was our open house right here. This is a new property that Cornelius have. You see how I just dropped it in there? That's all I did. And let's say I wanted to add a kitchen like the one in the example. So I'm going to add a kitchen there. So let's go ahead and add this kitchen right here. But you see how simple that is? If you need to move the picture around, if you double click on it, you can actually scroll up and center it. That actually looks a little bit better. And the same with this one. Just double click, play around with it until you feel like it looks good. I think it looks good right there. It shows a little bit of the refrigerator, a little bit of the sink, and then the lights fixture. So I think that looks a little bit better. And as you can see, that was very simple to just drag and drop. You could change this and you could say open house. You could change the font if you want to as well. I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. You could change the font if you want. So you could just go here and just play around and see which of these fonts you like or prefer. You could, have something like this if you wanted something more simple. You could make this a lot bigger if you need to increase the font size. Actually, that looks good. And then you could just change all of this here. You could make this, you could add all the information of this house, and keep in mind you could change all of this. And once you're happy and you have changed this, you have changed the color to your branding colors. Let's say this is Cornelia's branding colors. So let's say you're happy with that and that's your branding color. Once you're happy with the actual real estate poster, all you're gonna do is just gonna download it. So you would just download as a PDF print. That gives you a high quality print, a 300 dots per inches. You will pick the ones that you want to download. You could do page 1, 2, or 3, or all. So keep in mind, you don't necessarily have to use both pages. If you just want to do one single page and you put all the information in there and you're happy and you're good to go, then just do the one page. And then once you're happy, you click on done, you download it. I will always double check the actual or template to make sure that everything looks good. And this is the option that they give you. They gave you professional prints that you could print out using Canva, free shipping. And then you could just click here and it will give you the different pricings. But this is how it looks. And it looks pretty good, as you can see. It looks really nice. And it's so easy to do, guys. So keep in mind that you could, send these over to Kinko's, FedEx, Costco, any of those locations for printing, or you could simply just print it yourself at home or in your broker office. So I hope that you enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget, we are a new channel. We are trying to grow. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if you're just simply saying hello. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a terrific day.